Aduro Clean Technologies is pressing on with its broader commercialization strategy using licensing. Its subsidiary, Aduro Energy Inc., has signed a non-binding Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, with a major global engineering, procurement, and construction EPC company. The goal is to collaborate on developing a commercial licensing package for Aduro's hydrochemolytic technology, HCT, which converts low-value materials like waste plastics into useful resources. The agreement follows months of technical and commercial discussions. It outlines a staged framework to advance both the technology and a licensing business model. A key component includes designing a pre-engineered plant concept that the EPC partner could replicate to build industrial facilities for recycling complex plastic waste unsuitable for traditional methods. The EPC company brings global experience in delivering large-scale energy and chemical projects, while Aduro contributes its proprietary chemistry and process expertise. Together, they aim to create standardized, modular plant designs that can be deployed efficiently across markets. The ultimate objective is to produce a complete HCT licensing package and a business model detailing how the technology will be marketed, priced, and delivered to customers. The collaboration will also support Aduro's scale-up plans, including a first-of-a-kind industrial plant planned for Chemelot Industrial Park in the Netherlands. Data from this plant and Aduro's pilot operations will inform the final licensing package, helping reduce risks. Though at this current time, it's still important to note the MOU is non-binding, meaning neither party is obligated to proceed. Future work depends on technical results, financing, formal agreements, and internal approvals. Aduro trades under the ticker ADUR, which you can efficiently keep track of on TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.